How to change your Starlink service address. To change your Starlink service address, log into your account on the Starlink website. Ensure the new location has available capacity. Changing the service address. Log into your account, go to Manage under My Account, and edit the service address by selecting the pencil icon next to it. Make sure the new address can support additional users before updating it. Availability and capacity considerations. Check if the new location has available capacity. If the area is full or waitlisted, you may not be able to get service. Frequency of changes. You can change your service address multiple times, but ensure the new area can handle more users before frequently updating it. Potential issues and warnings. Always update your service address when moving your dishy. Failure to do so may result in poor or no service. If the new address is out of service, you won't be able to proceed with the change. That's it. Thanks for watching.